How to assemble 360 photo booth. First, open the fly case. Now let's check the accessories of 360 photo booth. We have the metal motion arm, hook for bags, UZ guide, photo props, lamp strip, ring light, photo brackets, and so on. And we also have some extra gifts. Now let's start to assemble it. First, we need a metal motion arm 1, tighten the plumb screws. We need 4 screws. Make sure it's stable. Then assemble the metal motion arm 2. You can change the angle to find a suitable angle, then fix it. Also need 4 screws. Then make sure it tightens. Mount the assembled self-telescopic bracket to the metal motion arm. The arm length can be adjusted from 87 cm to 157 cm. Then let's begin to assemble the ring light. Adjust the bracket, then fix it. And put the ring light on the telescopic arm. Adjust the bracket. You can put your phone on it, and it can also rotate. Now let's assemble the iPad holder. Also put the iPad holder on the telescopic arm. The bracket can also adjust, can support all size iPad. Then we need a power bank. You can buy in the local. Link the ring light to the power bank, then it can work. And open it. You can change different colors, can change according to the button on the ring light, or controlled by the remote controller. Can change different colors. And now let's assemble the lamp strip. Link the machine, and then tear off one side of the lamp strip and stick it on the bottom of the 360 photo booth. Then link the power adapter. one side linked to the machine. And another side linked to the electricity. Then it can work. The lamp strip can also change the colors. And it can also controlled by the remote controller. It can change many different colors. It's very beautiful. Okay, now let's testing the 360 photo booth. 360 photo booth is automatic, can controlled by the remote controller, can reverse and change the speed. It's very convenient. Okay, it's over.